This is your greatest power. So, what is the goal of teaching, of parenting, of coaching? What is the goal? The goal should be to simply teach you how to think for yourself. We get so lost in the realm of following the rule, do as I say, being obedient. A lot of people aren't really learning, they just know how to follow. So when the smallest change happens, and you mastered a certain subject because of the process that you followed in order to do this correctly. Now, when you're in a higher grade and that process slightly changes or somebody teaches it differently, now you completely shut down. What happened? You're not actually learning. You're not actually capable of thinking for yourself. You're just able to follow. And following is not a bad thing. But you want to be able to think for yourself. That is literally your greatest power. That is your superpower. That is the reason why us as humans are on the top. We are in a different classification than other animals because of our minds. Because we can utilize this, we're capable of learning. We're the most adaptable creatures on the planet, huh? We can adapt to any environment. We can learn and put things together and create new systems and processes. We can put two and two together and get four, right? We can create new tools and manifest things. Our mind is connected to the spirit. So we're literally connected to everything. It's a network. Your mind is your superpower. So if you can fully grasp that, and we only use, like 10% of our minds? The rest of it is on autopilot and untapped. Imagine if you can get to 11%, 12%, what that would look like, right? Our minds are amazing, amazing, and it's literally the best tool that you have. It doesn't matter the size of an opponent, it doesn't matter the harsh terrain, it doesn't matter the obstacle. If you know how to tap into your mind, then you are more likely to succeed, you are more likely to come out on top, you are more likely to survive. Hello? You are more likely. As long as you can tap into the mind, man, you can really do anything. So the goal of parenting, teaching, guidance, coaches, counselors, whatever, anybody who's trying to tell you something is all based on your capability to learn and process and think. Use this weapon, man. This is your best tool in your armory. Use this weapon, man. Use it for good. Use it to better yourself. And this is your greatest power as a human. This is what God has given you, the free will to think. And as soon as you give that away, you have given away your power. As soon as you allow others to just think for you, you know how they tell you when you go to sign a contract, read the fine print instead of just going off what somebody says. So don't just let this tool rust. Whether you realize it or not, deciding not to is still a decision. Start utilizing your superpower today by taking the time to actually think it out. It may be frustrating. It may get challenging at times. A lot of times it will be challenging to think for yourself, but embrace that challenge because all of those challenges only make you better. So every time you challenge yourself mentally to just think it out and come to your own conclusion, whether it's in agreement with whoever, disagreements, whatever the conclusion may be, just take the time to think for yourself instead of just blindly following all of the instruction around you. This is Trayvon Pratt with AIM, Always Improving the Mind. It's also May, Mental Health Awareness Month, so stay aware of your mental health, and this is one of the ways that you can build your mental health starting today. Use your mind, okay? Use your superpower.